For many, profiting in the market is impossible. However, with the Thesignaler Indicator, it has become a simple and routine part of my life. I have shown you in previous videos that you can trade this indicator with cryptocurrency and Forex. I have shown you higher time frame and lower time frame entries. Today, I'm going to walk you through a GBP JPY trade that I took on Friday morning. Before we go any further, there is a one-day free trial for the Signals group only, so make sure you don't miss out on that. And this is not financial advice, this is for educational purposes only. Let's jump in, guys. So we are on GBP JPY on the 3-minute time frame. As you can see here, it is currently just a normal chart. To put the indicator on, we go up here to this button and invite only, and you click the signaler onto your screen. Minimize this and you have the indicator here. Now, one thing that we do like to use this indicator with is the Heiken Ashi candles, and these are right here. If you cannot find them, it is in this drop down right here. If you are new here, I'm going to give you a quick rundown of the indicator. If there is a long signal, this is where you take a buy, and if there is a short signal, this is where you take a sell. The red background is a bearish trend, and the green background is a bullish trend. To run you through this GBP JPY trade that I took, you must know that I love to trade the London session. It's where the big moves come from. So I'm on my laptop at 7 AM, ready for that London move. Now zooming in on this chart, you can see that the 7 AM market is here, and the short signal was given just shy of half an hour after. The signal was given on this candle right here. My alert went off, so I immediately switched over to GBP JPY to take this trade. I took my short position on the close of this candle, I put my stop loss behind the trend line, and I was in this trade. Now, GBP JPY does like to move. It is a volatile pair, so it is one of my favorites to trade this strategy on. So I left it running. Now I'm going to zoom out so you can see the bigger picture of what I was playing. Now, as you can see, there is some liquidity sat here. So originally I was aiming for here, but as the price showed no signs of turning around, I did carry it further and further. I decided only to take profit once a long signal was called going the other way, which is just here. So if I'm to line this up, you can see that I exited right here at 114 pips. Yes, I left some money on the table down here, but at this particular point, I wasn't sure how far we were going to keep on pushing. So moving back up so you can see the R&R of what I caught, it was a 4.3. So to put that in monetary terms, if I was risking 1% of my account, I've made 4.3%. If I was risking $1,000, I've made $4,300. And without this indicator, I would not have caught this trade. Now, as you can see, there was a long called going the other way where you could have banked some more profits, but for me, it was the end of the day, so I just took my win and I exited the day profitable. Now, we're going to jump over to the Telegram, which is where you're going to be directed to once you click the links below. And as you can see, you are directed to this page. You can see here that you do get that one-day free trial in the VIP group, so you can have a look at the signals, you can have a look at the profits, and it will give you a lot more confidence to just go ahead and get this indicator. There are obviously other plans. You've got the 1 month for the indicator, 3 month, 1 year. You got the signals for the VIP page, which is 1 month, 3 months, 1 year. But in all honesty, you're just going to go ahead and grab that lifetime bundle so you can have access to everything so that you can get the most out of this indicator. Once we click on the lifetime bundle, you'll be directed to the next page, which will say click paid by crypto. Now that you're on this page, you can see all the different types of cryptocurrencies that you can purchase this indicator with. I personally like to use USDT as it is a stable coin, and I know that my money's not going to fluctuate in value while I pay. Now we're going to jump over to have a look at the Thesignaler VIP group. so you can get an understanding of all the profits and stuff that the community are getting. So as you can see, guys, here it's quite clear that there are profits. We have 316%, we have 298%, and here you can see that the signals that it does give out. It gives you your pair that you're going to be trading, your entry, and your take profit targets. Scrolling further up, you can see here more profits, 773%, 32%. The profits just keep coming and coming. I've never had an indicator like this before in my life. Again, guys, this is not an indicator that you want to sleep on. All the links are in the description below, so there's no excuse for you not to get involved. And you'll see me again in my next video going through another win that I'm going to take. So go ahead, click the like, click the subscribe, and hit the bell so you can get alerted on that next video so you can follow my profits.